Oh, good day, everybody, and happy Independence Day. Happy 250th birthday to the greatest country in the world, United States of America. Happy 250th, USA. Hope you all have a great Independence Day. Stay safe with the fireworks. Hope you get to enjoy some nice weather. We are finally getting some sun today. It's been overcast for a couple of days now, and before that, like 4 days of rain. A few days of heavy rain, or a couple days of mild to heavy rain. Just overcast today. Yeah, a little bit of sun. Still got some clouds going overhead. It's like partly sunny and about 70 degrees. It's really nice, actually. I love the dry, overcast weather. And of course, we got to give a big old thanks to our supporters. Thank you, supporters, for your help in keeping the videos coming and helping out with the rebuild. Eric C., Ollie S., and John Paul W., thank you so much for your continued support of the channel. And James L., thank you for your support of the channel. James L. sent a message with his dono. He says, "Hi, Nate. I have a pair of D-rings for your rig. If you give me a shipping address, I will send them. They are brand new for a Tacoma that I used to have. Never installed them. Your rig is looking nice, James." Thank you, James, so much. I don't have a real good address right now. My P.O. box is a long ways away, and I probably need more than just a set, unless a set is more than 2. I'm assuming a set is 2, but maybe a set for a Tacoma is more like 4 or 6. That would be handy. Thank you very much. But right now, it's just I don't have a real good shipping address for you. It's fine. I got some cheap ones picked out for the RV. I don't need nothing fancy, but I do appreciate it. I appreciate everyone who wants to send something to help out and pitch in that way. But it's P.O. Box is too far away, and I'm going to try and hopefully get a new one here soon that's closer. And I don't know when that'll be, but it's just I don't have a good address right now for getting shipments. But thank you everybody so much for your offers for sending helpful things. And thank you everybody who has managed to get something to me in the past. It's just too far of a drive to get anything right now. I can't afford the drive out there. I gotta put every dime into this rebuild. It's almost done. A little update on things. I am right now working on all of the wiring harnesses for the running lights. Got the front park lights, back park lights, tail lights, marker lights, side marker lights, upper clearance lights. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, including the bumper harnesses getting made right now. Oh, they're already made. Wiring's done. Just need to hook them up, but I'm waiting for some wire loom to come in the mail, so I'm not clamping things up with the wire exposed. I want to use some wire loom to protect everything. So we're almost into the weekend, so today is actually the 3rd. Hoping to get this up by tomorrow. The weekend will probably delay shipment for a little while longer, so I'm going to move on to something else. I got also my next project. It's probably going to be a video of multiple small projects. One of the things is installing a fuel water separator for the diesel heater. Eventually going to get moisture in the tank, so I can't have that going into the diesel heater. Picked me up a unit to go under there to replace the filter that I have. Should act as a better filter. It's got a huge filter compared to what I have in there now, and also the lower part which catches the water and lets you drain the water out. Some things up in the dash. Gonna be a few small things. So I'm working on that right now while I wait for the wire loom to get here. Should probably go ahead and cover these up, keep out the bugs. I had some tape on the inside, but that got all removed so I could do some touch-up paint. That also got done. I'll take off all this tape when I'm ready to install the accessories, the outside accessories. Mirrors coming up soon, cameras. Lighting, of course. Put that diesel heater exhaust back on. After that, headlights, headlight covers, those need to get painted. Put that grill back in once all the wiring is done. Windshield wipers. Also got these, the shore power connection. I need to install freshwater fill port. The vents, and then of course the AC unit. Oh, and the 2 tank vents that go in below it. So that's what I'm looking forward to getting done here soon. But it will be lights for the next rebuild video. I really look forward to getting all the running lights installed and working. Check and make sure the brake lights are working, the turn signals, reverse lights. It'll be nice. It'll be nice to get that project done. It's a big one. There's a lot of wiring. So, stay tuned everybody. Got lots coming up. I really look forward to getting everything on the outside done. All sealed up. Already have a bunch of butyl tape for sealing the vents. Already got a bunch of quad for the cameras. Probably could use butyl tape for the cameras too, but I think quad will work a little bit better for what I want. Anyway, stay tuned everybody. Got lots coming up. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.